I
this
will
has
have
an
to.
expiration date.
Yeah.
Hate
I've
work
caught you
from
so
home.
many times not working at home.
You being on my head and
So
being like,
you can
did you eat your tiffin? Oh my god, this is so long. Oh my
No,
god,
no,
it's not
you're
funny
saying
enough.
bickering 3 times in the sentence.
Can you be louder?
Guys, I have to edit it. I know how tough it is, bro. How can you all cancel my answer? This is like my answer.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the Founders podcast. Today we're Founders Unplugged to get away from the day-to-day hustle, and who better to unwind than with my very own sister.
Hi everyone, I'm Mehak, also Hina's best employee.
Yeah, I think I agree. Many people have asked us this, like how do you mix business and family? And it's been challenging, but how's it been for you working for me?
Not for you, with you. I think it's been. When I started out, I was a little stressed because I was like, how are we gonna talk as sisters and as business partners? But then I think once we started working together, there was like a gradual transition, and I think you and I are not the kind of people who are like, oh, every day we're like discussing some like sister gossip and all. We have like our days to kind of connect and all.
That's
I think-
me. I love to gossip
I
every
know,
day.
but
You are at arm's length, like,
Yeah.
get out of my face.
But I think that is what helped us work together for so long.
So you're
Because
basically
a lot
saying
of-
you helped us work together for so long.
Yes, because I feel a lot of my friends also told me, they're like, oh my God, do you think it's a good idea to work with your sister? What if you're like, just it goes out of bounds and you all don't talk to each other? Because there are a lot of
Yeah,
people who
yeah.
got into family business and then stopped talking entirely. And I was like, no, I think it's fine. I think it's also because we both are poles apart. So I think that helps.
When you joined, I was so stressed out. The first thing I did was tell Shakira that she's your project, not mine. You gonna figure it out. And once she's groomed into the company, you're gonna get her to work with me. So I was very intentional at the start to not have you directly kind of have me to report or anything, because I wanted you to kind of have your own space to grow and see what you make out of it, which is why for the first 6 to 8 months,
Yeah, we didn't work together.
yeah,
at
we
all.
didn't work together. We were working as a part of the same team.
Yeah.
So I think that really helped.
I'll ask you something. So obviously, I think it's great to work together. I obviously know that there's a lot that we both benefit out of it. And also, like, I would say generally the team also kind of benefits because then it's like, you have somebody to kind of bounce your ideas off. What do you think, if I had to ask you right now, what do you think is like, I would say the negative side of working with your sister or with a family member for that matter? Something that you felt.
Sometimes it's too blurry. So if there's a very bad day at work and I'm extremely frustrated, I would have loved to just, before you join starting, I would have just come to you and cried about it and said whatever I wanted to. I can't do that anymore because most of the times you're feeling the pressure as me. You're feeling the pressure with me. So I can't walk into the room and be like, oh my God, I'm so stressed out, because you'll be like, so am I.
We're both
What the
in the
hell?
same boat.
Yeah, like we are both in the
yeah.
same boat.
I think for me, it would be like that it is very difficult for us not to talk about work at
Yeah,
any
that's
given
true.
point of time. So
That's
it's
very
like
true.
even if we're chilling on a vacation, which we were 2 months back, it's like one thing we're chilling on the beach. We're like, ooh, fun, sun. And then we see something and we're like, oh, but that could have been a great reel idea. Or that could have been a great business. Or this guy's pitch was so good. And I'm just like, okay, so now we're back to square one.
But
in the
how's that
same
a
loop.
negative? That's a benefit. Like, what's
That's not-
creating?
No, every time you don't need to create. Like I think you had mentioned in season 1, sometimes creative minds need to just sit quietly. So like sometimes you don't need to discuss everything. So I think like that, like sometimes if you're on a vacation with your friends, are you discussing in Goa, chilling, drinking and discussing, oh my God, my next pitch
That's
idea
the
is
role
gonna
of a
be
social
this.
media manager.
No,
Face it.
No, but I'm just saying that it's like that I would say is a con. And also second thing, it's like all the stupid comments we get from friends and family every time we're at a function.
I don't
Like,
get into
"Ooh,
that.
How is it being with your boss? Does your boss know you've taken a leave and all of that shit?
I remember it was my birthday, and literally everyone was just like, did you ask for a leave to be here, or did you just plan to show up?
They asked you or they asked me?
They asked,
You said they asked you.
Yeah, they did ask me.
But they asked you about
Oh
me.
my, yeah, like, oh my god, Meg. I hate the fact that our friends are like, I hate that they crack those jokes and it, they don't realize it, but I feel like at times it adds fuel to the fire because sometimes,
It does.
yes,
Because it plays
that,
on your mind, you know.
yeah,
You're just
that
like,
weekend when we were not cool with work, you and I were on different pages about the round table, about the guests, about where the podcast is going to go. And then we had a party at home, and all anybody could do when you showed them like the pictures from our trip was like, did you apply for a leave for so many days?
Yeah.
Was it a paid or an unpaid leave? And I'm like, grow the hell up, you know?
It was a paid leave, guys. Just FYI. So that's good to go. But I think, yeah, I think the jokes, they do add fuel to the fire.
Okay, what's the funniest thing a friend has told you about working with me?
So I think it was one. This is really funny. So it was, I think, one night, Masi or someone had come to stay. So they had to stay in your room, and you were going to sleep. And wait, it wasn't Masi. There was a cockroach in your room, and then you got scared. So you're like, oh, I have to sleep with you in your room. So I remember I texted my friend. I'm like, oh my god, like Hina's sleeping next to me, so I won't be able to talk to you. And he just texted me like, it's not good to sleep with your boss, right? And I was just like, I'm okay. I took like 5 minutes to just be like, what the hell just happened? And then I was like, okay, whatever. I'm just gonna not reply to this text.
I
and
think
go
this is
to
a
sleep.
perk of working together.
What?
Having these.
Sleeping together?
Yeah. I do agree what you said about before. I did hire you because you're literally the opposite of
Yeah.
me.
I think that's
So
why
it's
it
good
works.
because if you were the same like me, I wouldn't be okay with it. You're a very non-emo person. So I think in every relation, you do need that because if you both are overly emotional, it could at a point become a little difficult to navigate when it comes to day to day because business is harsh. It's not pretty. I can't sugarcoat stuff for you. And especially if you're coming in at a director or a big level, it's like, it's not working out. We're failing. Like,
But you used to sugarcoat a lot for me, I think, when I joined.
really? When?
Yeah. I feel like you used to very consciously be like, okay, I'll not talk to her about this at home. Or like, no, I'll tell her this like when we're in the car together, whole ride, it's like a 10-minute ride. We've got in, we've got out of the lift, we went to the office, we sat, and then once we've sat, you're like, Mehak, can you come here? And then you'll tell me the whole thing. And I'm just like, we had a whole car ride to discuss this. Why didn't you just tell me in the car? And you're like, no, I need to I need you to have like a normal working life. And I'm like, there's nothing normal about this. I think we surpassed that quite early
I
on.
really tried.
Yeah, but you used to really keep, I feel. You used to, right? You used to sugarcoat a lot.
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
why?
I was very.
It's because you're very protective.
Yeah.
So I just
I'm very
whatever.
protective. Since you were a kid, I was very protective.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I am very protective.
Yeah,
I
so you
remember
used
that
to
whenever the client would get pissed at.
Yeah, she used to aggressively start texting on the group on my behalf, and I'm like, dude,
Meg
nobody
would run
knows
and be
us.
like, I'm responding.
Yeah.
Just breathe.
And then
They're not telling you.
she would just be like, she'd tell me
Like, Mehak is trying, okay? Like, just
no,
calm down.
Yeah, she would just be like, oh my god, this client is being so annoying. And like, should I call them up? And I'm like, if anybody else in office had this, you would not bat an eye unless it
No, I
reached
do
a
it for
level.
Shakira also, okay?
Yeah, you do it, but you
Yeah.
tell us also to fight our battles, right? So I'm just like, and you aggressively like texting, and I'm like,
Yeah.
listen, let me
Yeah.
just. So I'm
No,
like,
now that I'm actually thinking about it, I think it took me a really, really long time. It was a lot about my team just saying that
it's okay.
you need Mehak. Mehak is the perfect plus because I'm so analytical, so emotional, but yet still so like numbers and business, and it has to go in this way. And you're like all creative. Like you see the sky and you're seeing like 10 different ideas out there. I'm just seeing a cloud,
Yeah.
So I do want to say that, like now that life is getting serious, you're kind of growing up and I am gonna like get married and leave. One thing that really keeps me happy is that I know I'm gonna see you every day.
Yeah.
Like I'm not gonna miss you. When I went to York, I had
What the
Alexa.
hell?
Yeah, like
I want to see me at work, not at home.
yeah, but that's what I won't miss you now. Then I'll see you now every day for 8, 9
cool.
hours. How do you feel that now that we're sisters, we're working together, and you're helping me plan my wedding as my maid of honor?
I'm not getting paid for 2 roles. That's
Ask
all I
dad.
can say.
Ask dad
I'm
for the
not
money,
getting paid
bro.
for 2 roles. So
No one paid
no,
you to be my sister. You were
Huh?
just brought in the world. I protected you for the first 5
there
years.
was a payment. I think all siblings wish there was a payment for being sibling.
Okay, do you think that it's different if you were the founder and I had to join you?
Ooh, yeah, 100%.
What do you mean?
It will be different. No, like not in a bad way, yaar. I'm just saying it'll be different.
Okay, what way?
I think so. See, like you are very like how you said, no, you're like very strategic. You're like chess. We're playing chess. I am very like let's go with the flow. But I would have gotten then I would have given like rules to you like can't talk loudly and like limit talking to this many minutes and all. I would have given you some rules like that. If I had
So I
the
think probably making you the
opportunity.
director of this podcast was not the idealistic thing because all you have to do, imagine, is shoot me saying content, help
Yeah,
me
yeah.
create better content, and then edit the content that I speak.
But I'm happy to do that because
Why?
that's like you're doing it on the camera.
You have more
You're not
control.
no, you're not talking to me, na. So I don't have a problem. You're discussing on the camera. So I'm like, okay, do get all your talking minutes out on this.
You know, that's why what I
podcast.
do now is I have discussions with Chakra for 1 hour and then I come to you with the
Yeah,
synopsis.
I know that. I send you like my whole synopsis. But I just don't understand. I'm not like, see, that's the thing. Like, I'm very like, why do we have to discuss the same thing over and over? Like,
Because that's how
your-
ideas are brewed.
You in office also will repeat the same thing 4 times. And then you
That's
tell me,
reiteration.
you'll tell me that, no, I've heard it 4 times. No, I've heard it 4 times. I can vouch that every team member has heard it 4 times as well. If they're watching, they'll text you saying they've heard it 4 times.
But have you seen them do the work?
Yeah. But have you seen when I make them do the work? Between you and me, who's better at that? You said it. You said it yesterday. I'm better.
Okay.
But yeah,
I would agree. That's
I
why
want-
I hired you.
I know that. But I want to ask you something. You were telling me, like, it's been 1 year. Y'all could not figure out. Like, I think when I joined, it was very difficult to put my role into like one.
Yeah, there was no JD for you. It was
Yeah.
just like Mehak Mehta, join the
whatever.
company.
Like, whoever has some
Like
work,
whatever.
Could-
We named you what at the start? Brand associate?
No, I was, I think, brand not manager.
No. We didn't want to do the
Yeah, I was brand associate. I was
brand associate. We wanted some fancy name, but
And
then no one
then-
understood what that means.
Yeah,
Because you came to me after 1 year and you're like, what the hell is my role?
No, because I wasn't even doing what a brand associate does. I was just doing, but I think I found what I liked, which was like
What is it?
video editing, production, and all
Yeah.
of that.
Yeah,
And
see?
that's why. But
Patience is the key. Discussions are the way you lead here.
Not
If we
at
hadn't
all.
had discussions, I wouldn't know you were not okay with the role and we wouldn't have come up with this podcast.
that's true. But in the podcast, I want to ask you something. Like you decided to hand the, I would say, baton to me very early
Yeah.
on, and you're just like, you take it on. And you're just like, you make the decision. So were you lazy to make the decision, or did you believe in me? to
Firstly,
make
though,
the
I don't believe in
decision?
this early on crap. If you're at a
Early on,
startup, no, if you're at a startup, you gotta learn
But
on
this
the
was
job.
this was an
You
idea
are
within
not,
an idea.
no, you're not going to a corporate to train
As you
yourself.
can see, I'm not getting to talk. So.
You're not going to a corporate to train yourself. You're coming and you're wanting to gain experience at a startup. The experience doesn't come on a silver platter. The experience has to be learnt. So, my point was that, okay, cool. You're great at content. You watch so much content. You're very funny as a person. That was a good mix to be like, okay, cool, let's put you behind the camera because let's face it, me and Shakira are like, we are like twin sisters. We are like siblings. Does that make sense?
That does make sense.
Because we
Thanks.
both like, our hands go together, we talk together, we walk
yeah, you all
together.
are very
So
similar.
having her behind the camera and having me in front of the camera was like, okay, whatever I said is gold. But having you behind the camera, I remember when I gave you the baton, you were all like, oh yeah, my God, I'm going to do this. And you had come up with list of things Heenal needs to improve on.
Yeah.
So only you had the audacity to do that because everybody else would say, hey, your hair looks pretty. Oh, you talk so well. Oh, you're looking so nice. And I get that as employees, it's a little tough to, put your point across. But obviously, you didn't have that. And that was a very key reason of having you on the podcast was because you, A, consume content, B, it's something I felt is up your alley. So maybe trust your sister's gut feeling.
I understood. I'm the best. I got the gist of it.
But I really think that a lot of people, like whoever watches this or like founders who are watching this and you're like struggling to get another partner, right? It's not bad to look at your siblings because obviously, again, you better be having a good relation with them. If you all already have fights and all, it doesn't work. I think we were
It's
there.
not about fights. I feel like it also depends
Like a
on
difference of
everyone's
opinion.
emotional, like, I would say, emotional quotient, because sometimes
Yeah,
it's better
yeah.
not to indulge, because sometimes you don't want to put your sibling relation at risk at the fact that you're doing business. Like for example, like if next year I were to go study abroad,
I was just gonna ask you that.
like
Do you think
I
this
will
has
have
an
to,
expiration date?
yeah, I will. Matlab, expiration now I'll go to study abroad, na? So that time it will
But-
expire. Then I'll come back and renew it. Why
Yeah.
you're stressing?
So that's not called an expiration date.
No, but I'm saying like for example, if I go to study abroad,
What do you mean? Why are you
I,
stressing?
I shouldn't have to be like, oh, I have like what happens, which happens to me also, is like I'm like, oh shit, but I have a business here. So I'll feel compelled to come back. But if I get an opportunity there, I may not take it, because I'm like, I need to come back because I've committed to this family business, or like this whatever. It's not family business, I would say. It's
not.
like
But yeah, I get
startup,
what.
sibling startup.
No, I think you should have your
So-
own wings to fly, but they should fly back and nest. in
Come
the-
back to starting.
Why can't you think about
No,
going
you
abroad
said
and taking the company abroad?
You said I should settle
Expansion.
outside, na? So because you wanted to, so you like you're telling, I don't want to expand there. What if I find another
I
opportunity?
want to expand.
So then you go abroad. I like to stay in India. No?
So then why are you going abroad to study? Stay here and build
To
the
get
company.
the experience, like you said, I need the experience. It's not on silver platter. So I'll go abroad to study. I'll get the experience. Then I'll come back, and then I'll imply it in the business.
What are the two things of a office culture that are normal because it's an office and everybody follows it and that's how it works for all companies? But the minute you put that for us, because we're sisters working together, it just becomes a little tough to navigate.
Leaves. Because we both are going on the same leaves. So I'm like, should I email you saying that I'm not here because I'm traveling with you somewhere else? So I'm just like, leaves I think is funny. I'm always like, because like if I have to put in a leave for that week, I mean, of course, if I'm going out somewhere by myself, I'll obviously put in
Yeah.
email. But if I'm going with you, I'm just like, should I write the email? Like, should I text somebody? Like, what do I do? Because it just feels weird. And because the thing is that I have worked before. So I have put in like outside of outside of the company, I have done like internships, etc., where I've put in my leave request very diligently, like I need this leave and all. So I'm just like, who should I text about the leave? And I'm just like, it's fine. I guess Heenal knows because we both are not there. So then leaves and work from home.
I know, I hate
I've
work
caught you
from
so
home.
many times not working at home. So I'm just like, who should I report this to?
You're like,
Myself.
can you not say it on camera?
Myself. I'm kidding. But everybody
I
doesn't
hate
work.
work
Yeah,
from
work
home.
from home is it's a
No,
no
I
thing.
hate the concept work from home. I'd rather be in office so I can at least
But
have my own
why?
freedom to order the food I like, to eat what I want, to do what I wish in the day, instead of you being on my head and
So
being like,
you can
did you
give-
eat your tiffin?
You can give me work from home. Like you can give the whole team and then you can go to office. So that's like your work from home because you're alone over there technically. You just have to dress up and go. That's
Why
your
should I go to office?
Because you said you get the freedom there, right? So you go. I'll stay at home. I can ask you the same question. Why should I go to office? We're gonna play a fun never have I ever.
I think I should say on your behalf, you should say on my behalf to know how well we know each
We'll
other.
confuse the audience in us answering back and forth. Are you crazy?
Yeah, nah, it shouldn't be that way.
Yeah, like
Okay.
the-
Uno reverse, that new game that's come mad it is.
So we are gonna play a game. Never have I ever.
Mm-hmm.
Because we have the cards printed already. That's why. So I'm gonna ask you the questions. We both have to answer honestly.
Yeah, so
This is the best question. This will mark the.
say it after 2-3 questions. Start with
no,
an easy question.
No, this question will mark whether we need to go forward in the questions or not. That's right. Ready? Never have I ever wanted to fire my sister. What do you mean I've never? Don't lie, dude.
I have never wanted to fire you. Why would I hire you?
Arey, fire can also mean like, as a shout out. Oh, this is also a good one. This I know you have done. Never have I ever ignored a work text from you but replied on the family WhatsApp group.
Yeah.
I did yesterday only, so I was like, whatever. Never have I ever pretended to be busy at work just so I don't have to talk to you. We're so rude to each other. I feel like everyone will be like, I'm
That's why it
sure
works.
you all are siblings, guys. Never have I ever used work stress as an excuse to skip a family event. Sorry, family. That's all I'm going to say. You also done
Okay,
it.
look.
We both have
Let's
left.
be honest.
Yeah, but we had stress, huh? Just for all the family watching, we had stress.
No, it's not
what?
that.
No.
We make stress to not show up.
No, we had stress. Literally last week also, we had that event. You were
Oh,
up
yeah,
till
we
1
had
a.m.
stress. We had a lot of
we
stress.
had stress, guys.
We were at
But
the venue.
it can become an excuse also sometimes. Never have I ever used mom or dad as the unofficial HR department. What do you mean you've never? Liar, you keep going to him and asking him for advice.
Bro,
and
no.
all.
You know, when I go to dad,
you-
he'll be like, I represent Mehak. Then go represent her. Don't.
No, he sat for our interview also when you were onboarding me. So you did refer. Make it I have.
Right? Don't go to them because they are always on your side.
That's true.
So it's in the middle.
Okay. Never have I ever thought about quitting, but then remembered we live in the same house, so escape is not possible. Chill. Quitting is a very normal thing in our generation, you know, to think about.
Which is why I hired you.
Like we are like next thing, 1 month, next thing, 1 month, next thing. So that's all. Never have I ever called you by your work title at home. I have.
No. I have called your home title at work.
You called me by the
I remember
nickname.
there was this day where I just said Maku, and
Yeah.
everyone was like,
I was very embarrassed.
and she was like, "What
I was
the
like, this
hell
is not.
wrong?" I only say that when I feel love for you.
You said it once in 2 years of me working with you. So I guess
Now
not
you know.
so much love. And last one, never have I ever mixed up our personal and work WhatsApp chats and sent something on the wrong one. I have.
Always.
She'll send me on her business number.
That's because you can't
What do you
handle
want
the-
to get? What do you want to get our brothers for Rakhi? Next thing, have you confirmed this guest for podcast? And I'm like, why is there such a big range of our content? And it's like one after another. Like,
That's
how
the
am I?
point of
And then
sisters,
and her work chat. Oh, just FYI, I think this is fun for everyone. Heenal and my work chat literally includes Heenal texting me, I don't like the lunch today, so do you want to get cheese garlic pav? And I'm just like, no. I think we should eat the lunch we have in our tiffin. Sorry, mom. Who's more bossy at work and who's more bossy at home?
You and you.
I'm not bossy at work.
You are not bossy, but
You
you,
are bossy
give
at
out an energy of bossiness which does not let
No,
me
no.
be bossier than you.
It's called boss energy, not bossy. It's boss. You told me to told me to become leader and all, na, so then I was being. But I think I'm bossy at home. You're bossy at work.
Yeah.
You're not bossy at home because
I
you don't
can't
do
be
anything
bossy
at
at
home.
home.
So
Yeah, I can't be bossy at home because, I don't do anything. That's true. Now
since
I
Heenal
understand.
agrees with me, this is the perfect time to close the podcast.
No, I think
out of between you and me, who's consumed more content? Me. So I know how the podcast is supposed to
Okay,
end.
so thank you so much for watching this episode. If you all liked us bickering on camera, then please like, share, subscribe, and look at our previous episodes because the bickering happens off camera there and you see the final edit.
Bye.